今日係國家嘅生日，你會點樣慶祝？你會唔會睇煙花啊？你會唔會燒嘢食啊？你會唔會食熱狗？ Today, nation, birthday, will you go watch fireworks, hot dog buns? 今日國家生日，你會唔會去睇煙花、熱狗？今日國家生日，你會唔會去睇煙花、熱狗？ Does 今日 rhyme with somewhat? 今日 somewhat? Does walk rhyme with walk? Does song almost sound like song? Does 會 sound like a ghostly wind? Ooh, Is 去 almost like hooray? Tie is like tie. Does fa sound like far? Does gao sound like now? How do you say my nationality is American? 我係美國人. Let's say it together again. 我係美國人. How do you say, and I know how to speak Hong Kong-style Cantonese? 同埋我識講香港嘅廣東話，同埋我識講香港嘅廣東話。My dog doesn't mind fireworks. 我嘅狗唔驚煙花。But my cat doesn't like the loud sounds. 不過貓唔鍾意嘅聲。Have a happy July 4th!